Okay, today we're doing a fitment on a 2023 BMW iX. There's iX. That's the X-Drive 50.
Okay, here are the two screws you're going to remove center using a 10mm wrench or socket. You're going to remove those two middle screws.
Alright, now we're going to install the base plate. And factory. Using factory screws. Come from the base plate, make sure that they go into the J-clip, because the J-clips do move sometimes, so if it's loose in any way, make sure that it's secure. Now we're going to go ahead and put the front plate on. Line up the rods, find the pull pin, pull the pull pin, and then slide it in until it locks into place. And that's all there is to it. And let me get the front.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.